We got some action, my friends. See, just some rain and snow left over in our area. That's pretty much gone. But now things get interesting, stretching from Denver up north into Minneapolis, Minnesota. Now, Wisconsin as well. They're going to get several inches of snow, their first real snow of the unofficial winter season. Up there, they're looking at some teens and single digits. So the cold air from Canada is making its way down south. And of course, that means snow. Now, that will be moving into our area in the next couple of days. By Tuesday, a little bit of that rain and snow in the forecast, kind of like today, but things are starting to wind down right now. Still a little bit more snowflakes up there closer to Caribou area, Presque Isle. Of course, you are looking at some snow showers still lingering in the area. Things continuing to clear up. Monday, a good looking day, good to go. Bring out your sunglasses. Lots of sunshine in the area. Tuesday, not quite. Bring out those umbrellas, put those shades away. We are looking at some rain and snow back in the forecast, mainly rain here in town and then south. So mainly Dover, Foxcroft, and south, mainly a rain event. And then north, that's where we're looking at that stripe of that rain and snow moving on in, where temperatures will be a little bit chilly. So we might see just a little bit of snow accumulations in the forecast. Now, liquid equivalent rain. This is the total rain. We're looking at around ½ inch of rain on Tuesday, and then Thursday into Friday, a much bigger system moves into the area. Look at this. Widespread, 1 to even 2 inch liquid equivalent rainfall amounts. So this is a bigger system moving in. We're going to see some cold air making its way down south from Canada. So that combination means a little bit more of a rain and snow mix. And yes, snow accumulations will be back. Finally, right, for the snow lovers. Not quite here in town just yet, but we'll see how it goes for our Thanksgiving, especially right up into Friday. Now, mainly Greenville, Millinocket area, and then north of you, that's where you're looking at potentially maybe a 1 to 3 inch of that heavy, wet, slushy snow on Tuesday. And then now look at this. Oh, things get interesting. We're looking at heavy snow possibly in the forecast, still several days away. But Thursday night into Friday, we're potentially talking about several inches of snow wherever you see those darker blue colors and those pink colors. And look at this. Even here in town, we are looking at some snow accumulations right at the coast. Possibly same story. Looking at a little bit of snow accumulations Thursday, especially into that Friday overnight hours time frame where temperatures start to cool off, the sun starts to go down. We'll, of course, keep an eye on things. For now, though, snow depth, you got to go closer to Millinocket, Greenville. North of that, we're pretty much used to that. Of course, a couple of inches on the ground there. And then right at that border, those darker blue colors, indicating a little bit more snow. We're talking 5, maybe up to 6+ inches of snow in some locations, especially in the higher terrain. Now, average high temperature should be right around 42 degrees. We're going to be maybe a couple of degrees over that Monday, maybe same story on Wednesday, and then really cooling off. Especially, I told you folks, by next weekend, we're talking some 30s back as high temperatures. Overnight lows, of course, will be well below freezing. Very, very gusty winds out there as well. 16 miles per hour here in town, 15 in Waterville, 17 in Millinocket area. Even the coast, check this out. Rockland 18, Machias is at 15 miles per hour with wind gusts closer to 20 to even 35 miles per hour. That will be continuing overnight tonight into those morning to afternoon hours on Monday. Then towards the evening, things will start to calm down just a little bit. And then by Tuesday, we're looking at just a light breeze. Now for tonight, though, we are looking at decreasing clouds out there. Still some breezy conditions. Temperatures closer to freezing. So definitely bundle up for your morning commute tomorrow. Otherwise, though, mid-40s as highs for tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies. Bring out your shades. Please be careful. Those sun rays are still strong. Now northwest winds still a little bit gusty out there, especially right at the coast. Our extended forecast outlook does show that rain and snow on Tuesday, more of a snow event up north, closer to Greenville, Millinocket, north of you. Sunshine on Wednesday, a little bit of a break. Then we are looking at increasing clouds with some rain and snow moving in on Thanksgiving overnight. That's where those accumulations will be happening. And then that rain and snow continuing into Friday.